This video is going to have a look at calculating the distance between two locations using their longitude and latitude coordinates where they've got the same longitude coordinates. So when we're calculating the distance between two locations, there's two formulas we can use depending on whether we have the same longitude and same latitude. If we've got the same longitude, so the same east or west coordinate, then it's going to be d is equal to 111.2 times the angular distance. If it's the same latitude coordinate, so the same north and south coordinate, then it's going to be d times 111.2 times cos of the angle times the angular distance, and the angle that we use in our cos part of the calculation is going to be the latitude location. So let's look at an example where we are doing a distance calculation involving the same longitude coordinates. So in the example, we have P and Q that are 2 points on the Earth's surface with a coordinate of 27 degrees north, 30 degrees west, and 39 degrees north, 30 degrees west, respectively. Calculate the distance between points P and Q to the nearest kilometre. So having a look at the two coordinates in the question, I can see that they both have 30 degrees west as their longitude coordinate. So I'm doing a calculation involving the same longitude. When I'm doing a calculation with the same longitude, the formula that I need to use to calculate the distance is going to be d is equal to 111.2 times by the angular distance. So before I can complete the calculation, I need to go ahead and calculate what that angular distance is going to be. So to calculate the angular distance, I'm going to look at my two latitude coordinates, and I can see that one is 27 degrees north and the other one is 39 degrees north. So because they have the same reference, so they're both north, I'm going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one to calculate my angular distance. So it's going to be 39 minus 27, which is equal to 12 degrees. So my angular distance between points P and Q is going to be 12 degrees. So I can now go and complete my distance calculation. So it's going to equal 111.2 multiplied by the angular distance of 12. So putting that into my calculator, it's going to be 1,334.4 kilometers. And because the question is asking me to round to the nearest kilometer, 1,334 kilometers. So the distance between points P and Q on the Earth's surface, it's going to be 1,334 kilometers. So that's an example of how do I find the distance between two locations where those two locations have the same longitude.